Most sellers still value open houses, and when they go to hire an agent to sell their property, they want to make sure they hire an agent that hosts an open house. The big question is, do open houses provide any value to the seller? Happy Monday, everyone. You are watching video 51 of my Monday Market Minute, and today we're going to be discussing open houses. Most real estate agents host open houses for two primary reasons. One, to generate more business, and two, to make their sellers happy. Now, at almost every listing appointment I go on, I have a seller that asks me if I host open houses. And I do. I personally find value in doing open houses for multiple reasons, which we'll get into. But today's video, we're going to be talking about the good, the bad, and the ugly about open houses. Now, there's no debating that open houses can and do generate traffic. After all, that's the whole reason we do them. But I've been able to categorize the traffic into 6 subcategories, and they are as follows. You have your neighbors, your looky-loos, your Sunday strollers, your real estate agents, your future home buyers, and everyone's favorite, your thieves. According to a study performed by the National Association of Realtors, 51% of the buyers that they surveyed found the property that they purchased on the internet. Now, 30% of those buyers found the property because they were relying on their real estate agent to find them a property, and just 7% of those buyers found the home that they purchased at an open house. Prior to the internet, an open house was the easiest way for a buyer to preview a property on his or her own time. But with advancements in technology such as virtual reality and 3D tours, an open house is no longer a winning proposition. At the end of the day, it's all about exposure, and I firmly believe that open houses are a valuable way to generate exposure for sellers. So far this year, I've hosted 34 open houses, and one of the toughest sales I've had in my career was sold as a result of one of those open houses. Another little side story for you guys is the first real estate transaction I ever brokered, guess where the buyer came from? The internet. No, she came from an open house. Needless to say, when an open house is done correctly, I still think it could be a valuable tool to bring to the selling table. Thank you guys very much for watching. If you have any questions or comments, or maybe you have an open house experience, please share it on the comment section below. I'd love to hear what you guys have to say out there. Feel free to share this video with your friends and family, tag them in it, and just share the love. We have one more video before this year is over, and I'm really excited about sharing this one with you. I think you're gonna have a lot of fun from the viewership side. I know I'm having a lot of fun on the film side, so I hope you guys also enjoy it on the other side. But you know the drill. You won't see that till next Monday.